Welcome to oneHOWTO. Today we're going to teach you some basic merengue steps. The merengue is a popular Latin Caribbean rhythm that is not too complicated. The basic steps you're going to see can be learned in a relaxed and fun way. We will start first in the same static place, moving from left to right, bending the knees and keeping the arms relaxed. These are going to ultimately help us when we dance as a couple, so you can imagine dancing with a partner if it helps. Staying in the same place, moving left, right, left, right, left. Perfect. When we have found our rhythm, it is this movement of the hips and knees that we use to start taking the first steps. The first step puts the left leg forward, but always keeps the right leg in a fixed position. We move the hips to the rhythm. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Perfect. So far we are being very laid back with our top half, the right leg is fixed and the left leg moves. We're going to repeat the same on the other side in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Very good. So far we know the fixed motion moving back and forth. We're going to introduce a new step that is to use a half pivot. We'll just start by stepping forward, stepping back, stepping forward, stepping back, and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we do the reverse and start at 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We hope you found today's class to be useful. Like and subscribe for more dance tutorials to come, and we'll see you next time.